I didn't see any light that time. The shingle part? I can't believe we still have power, honestly. With 50,000 people without power, with Duke in Indiana, I can't believe we still have it. That tree already lost like a third of its body when Ike came through. I feel like it might lose some more. Now I'm smelling popcorn. And these are not just, this is not just my nose. People are barbecuing and having popcorn outside somewhere. My neighbor lives here. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I accidentally pressed the button with my cheek. Okay, I missed that. I'm always facing the opposite direction. But I did see the flash and it scared me. And that cloud is like a speedboat right there. Look how fast that thing's moving. It's coming. Look how fast all those clouds are moving. Jeez. Well, I should get it soon then. Insanely fast. A lot faster than the clouds higher up there. Let's see. There. I actually got the edge of that one. See that bolt to the direct south? I actually got the edge of that one finally. It was purple. There was a tree in the way. Oh yeah, it did get a lot cooler. I didn't even notice. Some pretty awesome looking clouds. Oh, southwest. What? Of course it did. Why wouldn't it? Yeah, we're just gonna get wind and little sprinkles because it's always gotta. Yeah, they are. But it's always got a weekend before it gets to good old Cambridge City, doesn't it? No matter how bad it might seem for Cambridge City, it's always a lot stronger before it gets here. Yeah, there were 300 lightning strikes per minute when it was still just getting out of Indy, and now it's probably below 100, I'm guessing. Because it was steadily declining. Sitting here, and I've missed The second I turned away from the southwest, 1 second after I've been facing it for a minute. I think that was like the northwest. You know what, it does sound like it's hailing. Sounds like really small hail hitting the car. I wonder if it will be hail. They said it's embedded. Oh man, the raindrops. Oh man. That's before the rain. Why do I always miss it? That's behind me. That's what I was afraid of. What are the odds? Yep, and I'm not surprised, to be honest. That was a lightning flash, but these clouds are moving super fast. It's pretty much done for us then, unless something crazy happens. It sucks that that was it when all these other places got to see funnel clouds and hail and lightning and everything. Yeah, I am too. Good old Kansas City gets left out of the fun once again.